Oh, this is another one. Keeping it myself. As you can see, it's another day around people enjoying life. At the end of the day, I'm doing this on another side of the world. That's what I'm doing normal. Myself, it's bugging me. And God is good. You know, I got this to use to keep at all y'all, and we'll go from there. But hey, this is what's going on. Life. You guys, stay tuned.